Is your PC slow, acting weird, or full of viruses? Don't worry, in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to remove all viruses from your PC step by step. So let's get started. Click on the search bar and type clean mgr. Open this cleanup and click on OK. Now, in this dialog box, check all these boxes. Check the recycle bin box if you don't want to restore the files in it. Now click on Cleanup System Files and click on OK. Now again check all these boxes and click on OK. Then click on Delete Files. Wait for some time until it completes. Now press Windows plus R. A Run dialog box will appear. Type temp and click on OK. Click on Continue. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all files and delete them. Again press Windows plus R. Run dialog box will appear again. Type %temp% and click on OK. Now select all files and delete them. Now again open the Run dialog box. Type prefetch and click on OK. Click on Continue. Select all files and delete them all. Now click on the search bar, type MRT and press enter. Now in this setup wizard window, click on Next. Choose the desired option, Quick Scan, Full Scan or Customized Scan. I will choose Quick Scan and click Next. Wait for some time and click on Finish. Now to delete all kind of malware, all you need to do is to come to this website. The link of the website is in the description. After the download is completed, install this software using the free trial version. After installing, open this software and click Start Scan. And that's it. Your PC should now be virus-free and running faster. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Bye bye.